attempted a different sort of much simpler key holder, because my teacher tells me, well, keep it simple. He doesn't say that, but that's his thrust, you know. The simpler it is, the easier it can be, and sometimes the more elegant it can be. So this is a length of 10mm round mild steel. The length is irrelevant at the moment. It's the business end that I want to concentrate on. So basically I'll be doing much the same as you do when you make a J-hook to the end. So taper, put a filling on, and then there's a different sort of bend though. Taper on the end then. Careful. Bit sharp in that, I think. Twice I've done that, isn't it? Working back from the transition point on the taper. Now I'm going to change that from square to octagonal by working the diamonds. Not quite octagonal there, more work. Octagonal to round now. Needs a bit more refining. That's to be very, very hot. see what I'm doing there. I put a finial on the end now. Ooh, I'm quite pleased with that. As a key holder, I think the key holder bit's going to take about 2 inches of the length. Then I need to throw 6 inches in its entirety, and the board I've got to fix it to is 2 inches. So I mark the anvil at 8 inches, so when I come out the fire I can get a spot there and go onto the cut off hardy and cut him off. Out the fire, measure up, make a note of a spot of scale where I want to cut. There we go. I'm going to taper this now in this plane. Now I need to punch 2 mounting holes in that, usual thing. Try and choose the spot carefully. Keeps bouncing out, doesn't it? Can't see that. There's one nice swelling where the hole's been punched as well. The other one. Oh, I hate it when that happens. One to just settle it. Yep. I think I'll punch us at it. Oh, stay there. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to buy myself some real steel and make a punch. This one's made out of something I bought. I've no idea what it is. There we go then. Reasonably pleased with those holes. One's slightly bigger than the other one. That's not so bad when they've got screws in there. You won't be able to tell. Right, back to the first end. Now I've found now that my finial is in the wrong plane. It should be vertical where it is now. So I'll twist that now to save myself a load of grief later on. now to put the bends in the end that make it into an actual key holder. So I need to bend it in this plane for the first bend. I'll quench the finial to stop it distorting. Not bad. Quite pleased with that now. Now I've got to put a reverse bend in this along this length here, almost to 180 degrees. But I'm going to quench this area off so I don't damage it. Ooh, difficult this. Heat required. Might have to go around the Bic, I think. Yeah, I'm going to have to go around the Bic on this one. I think that will do. I do. Oh no. We're out of plane there, aren't we? That's going to be a bit of a nuisance to bend that straight. I've got to do it though. Probably be easier to do this in a vice, wouldn't it, really? I suppose it depends how much grunt you've got, really. Oh no! Hammer. Go. Right, I'm going to brush that now, try and make it a bit shiny. Right, change ends. Go then. I'm reasonably pleased with that. That's quite nice with the bulges where the punched holes are. It's a bit organic, as in it's not particularly even, but that's a facet of my skill range at the moment. The business end, yeah, I'm okay with that. It's not square, I know. I'm bound to get some criticism for that, but the idea is you can hang your keys on it and it'll go on the existing coat rack in between the coat hooks, so it'll rise above those. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. I might make a few more of them. Here's in situ, keys hanging on it in the middle of two coat hooks and above the coats and out the way. I'm actually quite pleased with that. I think I'll probably make a few more because I've got so many keys. I'm sure it's the same for everybody. I can put more than one set on there, but I think that'll do quite nicely.